We are living in an unprecedented time where we have, unfortunately, the highest maternal mortality rate in the United States, the fourth highest infant mortality rate in the United States here in Arkansas. I envision a future where Arkansas moms would have positive birth experiences, that they would be able to access prenatal care, that babies would be born at good birth weights, and that they would thrive. Healthy moms produce healthy babies. Unfortunately, many things that are of great importance to women and to families are devalued in our society. It's very essential that we address the needs of mothers if we want to increase the opportunities and outcomes of children in our state. My name is Dr. Zenobia Harris, and I think it's very important that the work that Excel by 8 is doing continues in order for us to be able to have a thriving society.